Roar, stomp, let's explore. Fun dinosaur, facts and more.
TReX had banana-sized teeth. It could bite harder than any animal ever. Triceratops had 3 sharp horns for protection. Its frill helped it look bigger, as tall as a 4-story building. Brachiosaurus walked like a giraffe with long front legs. Stegosaurus has a brain size of a walnut. Backplates helped it stay cool or look scary. Spinosaurus is the largest meat-eating dinosaur, could swim like a crocodile. Velociraptors were small and feathered. They hunted in smart groups. Parasaurolophus used sounds to talk to its herd. Hollow tube on head made loud honks. Ankylosaurus had a bone club on its tail. Armor plates made it like a living tank. Pteranodon, the flying reptile. It had wingspan like a small airplane. Its crest helped it balance while flying. Mosasaurus, the sea reptile. It was the giant ocean predator. It had double-hinged jaws to swallow big prey.